life vest, and then you walk through the water and jump off waterfalls and climb up rocks and things like that. So I'm very excited to do that today. Dean's getting his wetsuit and harness fitted. And this is the little tent that we sat in. Had to get changed in. Look, Dean's got a flap on his bottom.
And off we go to do the river tracing. Amanda's all geared up, ready to go.
Well, my helmet's a bit too big for my head.
She'll be okay. How you doing, Mandy?
Good.
Yeah, having fun?
Like a drowned rat.
You did when you got flipped over.
Beautiful green lagoon, and we're the only people here on our private tour. Not that I booked a private tour because I think it's too cold for everybody else to come water chasing. And we've reached the end, and our guide said there will be some fun activities that we're going to do.
And he's making us noodles right now.
So Dean's really happy. Dean's really happy as well because it was hiking, but he wasn't hot because he gets to be in the cool water. And we think that we're going to go down the slide, down the waterfall, and then jump off the rocks into the water. So that should be fun.
Jump high.
And there you come down the waterfall.